EDSA Muñoz at around 9 this morning. Public utility vehicles blocking traffic. Commuters occupying one lane waiting for a ride. Some running after a bus. Passengers getting off in the middle of the highway. Pedestrians walking on the road instead of the sidewalk.
Hindi ko makita yung mga bus na parating. Kaya nakaarang yung mga bus. Kaya nga po sa gitna ako kasi nag-iingat naman po ako eh.
Bakit po kayo bumaba sa gitna ng kalsada? Napababa na kami ng driver eh.
Barangay security personnel even had to deal with the worsening traffic mess themselves.
Kasi po kanina walang traffic enforcer. Kasi po masyadong mabigat na po yung traffic. Kaya pinapilan na po namin.
This is the northbound lane of EDSA Muñoz. This is one of the trouble spots along this stretch of EDSA. But this is not included in the 6 choke points identified by the Highway Patrol Group. But the local authorities here think that the HPG should station some personnel here because, as you can see, almost half of the highway is occupied by public utility vehicles loading and unloading passengers right in the middle of the road.
The Highway Patrol Group acknowledges the need to assign more people to other congested portions of EDSA. Pedestrians and commuters should heed rules as well, says the group, so there are plans to be strict on them and impose stiffer penalties against jaywalking.
Meron akong suggestion kanina tungkol doon sa mga sumasakay ko sa daan. So, pinag-implement ko yung tinatawag natin na pila-pila system. Kaya naman pupunta yung ibang commuters doon sa gitna ng daan sa paghihintay kasi nag-unahan sila. So, we put them to order, ipipila natin sila. Yung mga bus stops, meron ganun eh. Kaya lang yung mga matitira sa ulo ng mga mayan natin na ayaw pumasok doon sa reading stand at kanya-kanya. So, I still have to find out kung anong penalty na ipapatawa sa kanila. Unlike yung mga motor vehicles, yung mga drivers, meron na talaga tayo ipapatawa ng penalty or batas.
The policemen also deal with the vendors who keep selling at will on EDSA in Balintawak, Quezon City. They comply when asked to clear the area, but it's anybody's guess when they would return. The HPG says next on their agenda, instilling discipline on pedestrians and sidewalk vendors.
Pinalis po natin yung mga vendor, hanggang hindi po sila nadidisiplina, gagawin po natin palagi yun. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin gagawin natin hanggang sa matuto sila.
As soon as everything is in order, the group believes it will be able to move traffic faster on EDSA. Camille Abadisio, CNN Philippines.